So 2012 vauxhall vivaro again, taking the wheel nuts off now, and they are 19mm. I'll use the guidance a bit quicker. I'll whiz them off and then I'll show you what we're doing. Okay, so the track rod end's gone on this, if you can see that. Bit of movement in there. So just going to replace that, which means this bit here and all down here as well. Take this nut off and then take that nut off there, and we'll whip it off. Just going to clean up this thread first. Clean up that thread, so it's easy to get it off. Okay. Wire brush. Give it a good clean up. Make it easier to take it off. Same this one as well. We're a bit better than that. I've only got one hand, so hang on. Okay, now put a bit of oil on them. Make it easy to turn. And then this one here is a 17, so I'll put the socket on there. I'll get that off with the air gun. Okay, and I think this is over 22 or 21, there you go. So undo it in, so turn it clockwise. Obviously this one anti-clockwise. Back it off. Okay. I'll have to get on with the hammer a bit. I'll show you a trick. No, I'll struggle with one hand. Stay. No. What we'll do, we're going to get the spanner now, make it easier. Bang it on there. Not ideal, but give it a bit of a whack down with this. It'll just loosen it off if you've got to hold it with two hands. So I'll pause it and I'll show you after. Just give it a bit of a whack, and then it'll turn off like that. Try not to turn it too far if you can. Leave it there, and then this one will just whip off with the gun. Should just come straight off. There you go. Now, I'm not usually using this track rod, we're putting him on, so we'll whack him on there just to get him out. That's it, he's off. Now, what you're going to do now is ideally count how many turns it is to take it off, and then you can put the new one on the same amount of turns. I'll show you. Okay, so before you take it off, just put it up against the new one, so you can see it's roughly the same. I'm putting the wrong thread on it, or the wrong end. So that's it. So put them together pretty much spot on. So what I'll do now, I'll take this one off. I'll count the teeth, how many turns it is to get it off from this upright bit here, going anti-clockwise, and then I'll put the new one on the same amount. But to be fair, it should be roughly the same, as the nut won't move, so you just go to the nut really, but just best to count as well. It'll save, might save tracking up so much. It might be alright for track after, that's the idea. So I've taken this one off now. It was 20 turns to get it off, so I'll put the new one on the same. Before I do that, I'll just take this over to the bench and put some grease in the end. It'll help for like future tracking, or just in case. Make it easier to track. Okay. Just enough to lube up the threads, so it'll come off easier in the future. That's it. And then put a bit on the thread as well. Where are we? There we go. That's it. At the back as well, it'll help. And I'll wind this back on 20. I'll clockwise back on, obviously. Empty. Tidy back up to there. Then take the knot off the top, put it back through. Have to just angle it a little bit to get it through the hole. That's it. And then that back on. This one's a 17 again with the air gun, and then tighten it up there. And this is a 21 again, and that's it really. And then wheel back on, and then check the tracking. Okay, thanks for watching.